In this video, we're going to take a look at a product called Igniter. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my review playlist. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. So I think this is a kind of funny thing. This guy's name is Robin Homer, but every time I see his name anywhere on Facebook or on YouTube or whatever, when I'm seeing his videos or whatever, I always want to call him Robert Homer. You know who Robert Palmer is, right? Hold on. Might as well face it, you're addicted to love. Or how about simply irresistible? Or some like get hot. Or how about get it on, bang a gong, get it on. So yeah, this dude had a lot of hits, right? Robert Homer. So every time I see Robin Homer on Facebook, or if I see him on YouTube ranking around my videos, I always call him Robert Palmer. So I thought that was kind of funny. But let's get back to the marketing stuff. Okay, so the headline reads from 0 to 18,000 with my simple two-step formula. So why do you need to get Igniter right now? So let's check out these bullet points. So you don't need to pay for a website. You don't need an email list. No experience or technical skills required. This is 100% newbie-friendly method. What we reveal will allow you to 2x to 10x your profits while working less. There's no waiting. We give you everything you need to make money right out of the gates. We'll show you how to bank 100 per day, even if you're starting from zero. Free and cheap resources included, case study included. Just copy my exact blueprint and get results as soon as next week. Okay, so before we move further down the sales page here, what exactly is Igniter? So Igniter is a training course that's in two parts, okay? The first part, he's going to actually give you a product that you can sell as your own, okay? And the second part is going to teach you how to create your own product. Why is this important? What's the deal about creating your own products? Affiliate marketing, you can make some pretty good money. But the money is when you sell your own products, okay? That's how you make the most money. And let me give you a really good example. So if you take any big guru out there that does affiliate marketing, they're making some big bucks, they say, right? But what is it in those videos that they're trying to sell you? They're trying to sell you a training course on how to make affiliate marketing work for you, right? How they make big money doing affiliate marketing. But what are they selling? They're selling a product. They're selling their actual product on affiliate marketing. And I'm not going to say they're not making a lot of money doing affiliate marketing, but I can guarantee you that they're making a hell of a lot more money by selling that product, okay? And that's what I do, okay? I do affiliate marketing and I sell my own products. I put them together into one business model. So yeah, they're both lucrative and you can make a lot of money doing affiliate marketing. But I'm telling you right now, once you start building authority and have your own products out there, you're going to make a hell of a lot more money. All right, so let's go ahead now. Since we know what this is, let's continue down the sales page. Okay, so here's some screenshots of the earnings that they made using this simple method they're going to teach you about products and stuff. Okay, here's some testimonials. Okay, this is what's inside of Igniter. Okay, so why do we call this Igniter? Two main reasons. Reason number one, Igniter reveals the secrets that keeping newbies, noobs. So reason one is Igniter reveals the secret that's keeping newbies from getting and passing that 100 per day milestone. Reason number two, this method is all about tiny tweaks that once you know it, can literally multiply your income online. Okay. Alright, so make money with Igniter in just 3 simple steps. Uncover the Igniter method, set up using the exact blueprint they're going to show you. Sit back as you bank at least 100 per day in profits. And step 4, do this only if you want to create a job crushing online income. Rinse and repeat and make as much money as you want day after day. Okay, inside Igniter, you get everything you need to make money right now. So you can go ahead and read all of this stuff, guys. Okay, here is a big discount you're going to be getting when you pick this up today. I'm not sure if this product is going to go up after the launch. Usually products do, so make sure you get this as soon as possible. Let's check out the bonuses here. So these bonuses are worth $2,988. You're going to get these for free. These are fast action bonuses. Okay, so bonus number 1 is Gateway FE plus Gateway Supercharge. So Gateway is a step-by-step training course that reveals how you can tap into YouTube, a 1.8 billion user traffic source, without doing what everyone hates, showing their face on camera and recording your voice. So with these bonuses, you're getting another course right here with bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is YouTube Supremacy. This is another training course, a series of 10 videos that teach... She thinks I'm talking to her. Siri thinks I'm talking to her because I'm saying a series. I didn't say Siri. Let me cover this mic up. So bonus number 2 is YouTube Supremacy. So this is another training course. So you're getting like 3 in 1 here. A series of 10 videos that teaches you how to rank videos at the top of YouTube and Google with an authority YouTube channel for promoting affiliate products, launch jacking, or your own products. And bonus number 3 here is my personal arsenal of bonuses. So these bonuses have been responsible for over 50,000 plus in commissions and can help any affiliate increase conversions tenfold. So pretty cool bonuses you're getting right here, guys. Okay, so here's the 100% money back guarantee right here for 30 days. All right, so let's scroll down further here. Okay, and I think that's it, guys. If you have any questions, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and read the FAQs down here, and that should wrap up the sales page. So let's go ahead now and jump into the members area. Okay, so here we are in the Igniter members area here. We have dashboard, support, and log out as usual for any kinds of ClickFunnels membership sites. Okay, so there's some buttons under here you want to check out. Join the free training, click that and sign up. I'm pretty sure it's a webinar, and you can join his YouTube channel for updates here. You can subscribe. Okay, let's check out the modules. Go ahead and check out the welcome video first. It says watch first, please don't skip this part. Okay, then the next video is going to be the overview of the Igniter method, right? So in module number 2 here, this is the first day setup version done for you. Okay, so this is the done for you product that you're going to get where you could start selling it today. He's going to show you how to set that up. So you can see it's a couple of videos in there. It's going to show you how to do all of that good stuff. And then you can set up your product in 7 to 14 days. So this is creating your own product. All these videos in here is going to show you step by step how to do that, structuring your product and coming up with ideas, creating the main training, creating the upsells, your welcome video and overview video, easy 3-step sales letter formula, build your site for free, and how and where to generate free traffic, right? And in the next module, you'll have some resources in here, some free software, a free product name generator, a done-for-you bonus that you can use for your own products, and where to create fast, high-quality e-cover graphics and logos for your products. And this is for free as well. Okay, then you can get those fast action bonuses right here in this section. And if you missed any of the upgrades when you went through the checkout process and you wanted to go back and get those later, they're available for you right here as well. All right, so that is the members area. So let's go ahead now and take a look at the upsells. Okay, so again, what is this product about? So the front end is Igniter and it's at $9.97. So it's a 2-part system where in the first part, they give you a done-for-you product with traffic source training. And in the second part, they're gonna show you how to create a product in 7 to 14 days with free or cheap resources. All right, so upsell number 1 is Igniter Advanced, and this is $17. So these are income hacks and advanced methods that they use to crank out products, digital assets even faster, and you could use this to build your digital empire. All right, upsell number 2 is Igniter Beastable. So this is $37. Okay, so they're going to show you his 30 to 60 day traffic strategy challenge method. And the final upsell is upsell number 3, and that is Igniter resale rights, and this is for $97. So you'll get 100% resale rights through the entire product, which means you can earn 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel. Okay, so that is going to take care of the upsells. So now let's go ahead and check out my bonuses. All right, guys, so the launch starts Saturday, June 27th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to end Tuesday, June the 30th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so the first thing you want to do on my bonus page here is go ahead and watch this video. Wait, you're watching it right now. All right, let's stop messing around here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do here is scroll down till you see this click here to get Igniter now, and click that button. That's going to cookie you in so that in the back end, Warrior Plus is going to know that you are cookied into my bonuses, and you're going to get that in the back end when you click that blue button. I'll show you how to get to that in a moment. But let's go ahead and scroll down a little further here. Just make sure the countdown timer is still ticking, guys, so that you can get locked in for these bonuses. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here and start reading my bonuses. So bonus number 1 is customer journey and product testing. So since you're going to be learning about creating your own products, I wanted to include this bonus in here, okay? So you're going to learn what to do before launching your product public so that you can get the best results, alright? You're going to discover how to get the most sales possible by understanding how to utilize product price points. You're going to learn how to use your list to your advantage by segmenting them into beta testers to help you fix your new product. You're going to uncover how to funnel your list into customer journey and watch them become loyal buyers and fans. Then you're going to find out how to get all the bugs out of your new product by doing a double split test before going live. Bonus number 2 is grow your business with funnels. This is video training on how to use funnels effectively in your businesses for maximum commissions. Okay, so you're going to discover how to set up your own funnels and start doubling or tripling your profits. You're going to learn how a funnel can have maximum impact by using opt-in capture pages. You're going to discover this one trick no one else is using to send visitors anywhere you want. And you're going to find out the truth about funnels and how you can use these little known methods to max your profits. Bonus number 3 is how to make money with Wikipedia. So you're going to discover how to use Wikipedia to make some easy profits. You're going to discover the way to use Google and Wikipedia to give you a rank boost. And you're going to learn the secrets of internal and external linking to get better rankings. Okay, bonus number 4 is profit funnels. This is a quick start guide to creating profitable sales funnels. So you're going to discover how to amplify a typical marketing strategy so that you're able to maximize profits and build your tribe. You're going to learn the secret key to creating a sales funnel that makes sense to your target audience. You're going to discover why funnels are not a one-size-fits-all approach and why not every niche or industry responds the same. And you're going to find out how to qualify traffic and separate the action takers from the tire kickers. And my bonus number 5 is the spreading goodwill system. So this is video training on a system that you can use to 10x your list building literally overnight. So you're going to discover an easy way to put your list building on steroids by using this simple spreading goodwill system. You're going to discover 2 things you need to do on a squeeze page to get guaranteed subscribers. You're going to discover this one platform you can use to help you start building your email list and get instant buyers. And you're going to use this one trick that I show you in this training to gain the visitors' trust so that they want to buy from you. And bonus number 6 is all the vendor bonuses. So here's a little recap, guys. All of these bonuses combined are worth $3,193 of extra value when you order through my link today. Again, make sure that this countdown timer is still ticking so you can lock in the bonuses in the back end by clicking these little buttons here. Okay, so I guess you're wondering right now, so how do I get these bonuses? How do I claim them? What do I do? So let's check it out, guys. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of my bonus page and you're going to see how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus here. So step number 1, you're going to log into your Warrior Plus account. If you don't have one, go to ronnierokk.com and create one. Okay, then once you log into your account, you're going to see your little name, click on the little drop down tab and then select purchase history. That's going to take you to the next step, which is page 2. Then you're going to look for the link of the product that you just purchased. In this case would be Igniter. Okay, when you click that, it's going to take you to the final step of page 3 here, where you can see 2 buttons here, the green one to access your purchase, and then the blue button where you're going to be able to access the bonuses for this offer. So that's how you get my bonuses, guys. So that's gonna wrap up this video review on Igniter. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.